Today, we want to consider how can I lose weight in 3 weeks' time. Losing weight in 3 weeks' time seems as mission impossible. However, it is very possible to lose weight in 3 weeks. In fact, it is possible to enter the new year with a streamlined body. Today, we want to give you the hack that the celebrities are using to lose weight and maintain their weight. Celebrities like Rebel Wilson and many celebrities. I will introduce you to the sweet smoothie, a sweet and fun, easy to use method of losing weight. And I'm sure you thank me later after introducing you to this. It does not matter how many pounds you want to get rid of in your body. It works in all parts of the body. It has helped thousands to maintain the body mass index that they have been looking for. So if that is what you want, stick with me to the end of this video. When you stick with me to the end of this video, you'll be sure to have a green smoothie that help you to lose body weight on all parts of the body. Also have a beautiful skin after using it, or when using it and after using it. Beautiful hair, and your nails will be also awesome. The third thing that you benefit is it helps you to reduce your age. Anti-aging, that's what I mean. It will help you look younger than your age. The fourth thing is that it helps you to solve the problems of chronic diseases. It helps you to prevent such problems. So there are very many other health benefits that you will receive. More than that, also help you to improve your digestion and gut health. So if you're in for that, stick with me to the end of this video. This diet plan help to benefit you because it's only for 3 weeks that you get this, that you'll be able to accomplish this. This program is in fact designed in such a way that you'll be able to take your food and also take the smoothie, yet you're losing weight very fast. This means that you incorporate a smoothie into your diet and it works wonderful well for those who really want to lose weight. So if you're here, want to lose weight, say I can lose weight in 3 weeks in the comment section below. Say I can lose weight in 3 weeks. The program is such a way that instructs you on which fruits and vegetables to eat to burn calories quickly and to boost your metabolism. It's protein-rich diet that aids in weight loss and muscle building. This food is rich in iron, zinc, and other nutrients that are necessary to help you. In fact, it also will benefit your thyroid gland. So it has a lot to benefit from it. It is only for 21 days, and before the 21 days, you see a lot of improvement. However, the food you eat can also retain one meal of your choice every day. What I mean, eat recommended smoothie, while on the third time you eat your choicest food. It is just for 21 days and it works wonderful well. Let me tell you, there are several clients who have used this and who are now testifying to its goodness. This smoothie is unknown to so many people. However, the drink is just a blended of fruits and vegetables, selected vegetables. Of course, when you blend them, such a juice, and you're drinking them twice as your food and eating twice as your food, and in the third time you eat your normal food every day, so you will not be missing out of any food. So how long does this smoothie take to work? As I have said before, this smoothie diet promises to give you a fast result in 21 days, and of course others have testified even from the third day of using it. Why? Because it comes with a detox of 3 days. There's a detox program of 3 days which aids you in the removal of pollutants and prepares your body for losing weight in 3 weeks. Of course, they are all natural ingredients, and what is more, they are not costly. They are cheap, easier to make, even much easier to make than your food that you also prepare. You can drink a whole food with the drink, with that smoothie rather. So as a result, you'll be able to lose weight faster while maintaining a healthy balance, a healthy skin, a healthy hair, a healthy everything in your body. So think about it. You live largely on vegetables. You also retain your food as a meal you eat to lower your cholesterol. Which food do you like to eat most? Please write it down in the comment section. Which food do you like to eat most? This smoothie will not deprive you from eating that food. You will still be able to eat it. At least one portion of 3 times a day meal will still be your favorite meal. This smoothie can be made more fully by adding yogurt and other powdered proteins and so on and so forth to it. So if you are looking forward to losing weight as fast as possible while still maintaining your health and your balanced diet and preventing diseases, preventing sickness, preventing other terminal diseases from growing or developing your body, then be sure to look the description of this video for the link, this special link. Thank you for watching this video. Looking forward to seeing you in my next video, and please subscribe to this channel. I'll see you on the next video. Until then, bye.